Welcome to this video on Python functions. In this tutorial, we'll be diving into the world of function in Python and how they can help you write more organized and efficient code. First, let's start by discussing what a function in Python. Right, a function in a Python is a block of code that performs a specific task, and it can be called multiple times in your code. Right, functions allows you to organize your code by breaking it down into smaller manageable chunks. Now let's look at how to create a function in Python. Right, to create a Python, you use the def keyword followed by the function name. Right, function name. We will give the name like addition. Right, addition. Right, this is the function name, which followed by the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we have to pass the parameters. We have to uh, not write, we have to name the parameters, because these parameters will be replaced by the arguments which is going to pass in this function when it will be called. Right, so we will pass two numbers, number 1 comma number 2. Right, so here we have defined a function addition name. We have two parameters, number 1, number 2. Right, and so it will, what it will do, it will return you can for more simplicity we can do this. We can have another variable add, which will do something with these number 1 and number 2. What it will do, number 1 plus number 2. Okay, so this will be add these two number, and in output we will return the output from this function. So what is the output? It is add. So what it will do, it will take two numbers, add them and return them. So when we will call this, we have to write this. First we have to print, so we will write print. Okay, then inside this parenthesis we have to call the function. How we call the function? By writing function name. So addition, in parenthesis we have to pass the arguments. Right, number 1 let's take 10, number 2 let's take 5. So when we run this code, what will happen? This will call this function. Number 1 is assigned as 10, number 2 assigned as 5. So add will do the addition of these two numbers, and it will return here. So if we run this code, what will happen? See, 15 will be returned. Right, output is 15. Now what I said before, function we can use further in the code. So if we want to add another two numbers, we can again call addition function with different number. Right, 20 comma 30, or we can again print addition. Assume, let's take 10 and 60. So what will happen? First it will add these two number, then it will add these two number, then it will add these two numbers. So output will be 15, 50 and 160. Right, let's try this. 15, 50, 160. So this is how the function works. Right, so what we will see here in this tutorial, we have covered the basic of Python functions, including how to create and call them, and how to use parameters. With understanding, you will be able to write more organized and efficient code. Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thank you.